Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed and today we're unboxing the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 4th generation. Let's get on with it. Gonna have to get a new knife. I've been saying that for a while now, but let's actually see how I can open this. I've got it says it here, right? It was actually delivered like this with with the product name outside. So yeah, luckily nobody knew what it is, lol. But ooh, that's a nice little. Oh, you open it like that, is it? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to. Nice little slit there. Okay. Nice. And I didn't damage the box, so that's good. So what is this product? You probably already know what it is if you're like trying to YouTube some unboxing videos of this. Let's put that away. This is a nice box, isn't it? What do you think? Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. Do you know what? I actually already love the color of this. Uh, the color from the box. Let's have a look at the box and then we'll go through it all. So Focusrite Scarlett 2i2, 1, 2, and that's basically why it's 2i2. There's two inputs for the artist. So yeah, you probably already know what this is. It's interface to basically produce good audio, sound quality, and it can be used for multiple things. We're just looking at the whole box here. This is the back. Oh, wrong way. What's nice about this 4th gen, right? When you're talking and stuff, this is like an equalizer. It moves. So I'm very happy to see that. Let's look at here. 2 4 gen mic inputs, our most detailed preamp ever. Make the most of any mic with 69 decibel gain, so dB gain. High Z instrument inputs, so you can do instrument stuff. Obviously, I would never. Anyways, auto gain and clip safe. Set your levels in seconds and never lose a great take again. Next generation conversion. Redesigned professional grade converters deliver up to 120 decibels measured dynamic range. Re-engineered air mode. Do you know what? Yeah, the air mode. So I've watched, obviously, if you're wanting to buy this, you're most likely watching other videos and stuff. The air mode, seriously, there's some videos which show that how the air mode is. It sounds really good. I'm probably going to put it on that. There's a drive mode as well, I believe. Anyways, that's my saliva there, just so you're aware. Newly enhanced air brings you console sound everywhere. Powerful outputs, ultra low distortion for our purest ever playback with headphones, and studio software included. A complete suite of legendary tools bringing your music to life. So, funnily enough, right, I've got what's it called? Is it something audio for the MacBook? I bought it as like a package. Never really used it. I've used Audacity in the past and stuff for sound engineering, but the thing is, realistically, I do everything in-house on Final Cut Pro. I don't know if you guys even know that. I use Final Cut. And yeah, I basically purchased this. I'm already using it to basically help with my streaming. Now, we'll come to that. So that's just me cutting it, and let's go through this. Welcome to Studio Sound. See, I already like this. This reminds me of the Trezor. When I unboxed the Trezor, it said it's quote by Satoshi Nakamoto. But yeah, I already like the packaging. This one, wow. Okay, let me take that out. Hold on, let me take that part out there. So that's the cable that comes C and USB A. Very interesting. C and A. It's not USB 3.0. It looks like that is a bit of a worry, but let's come on to this. So this is already feeling decent. Metal. Ooh, packed well, isn't it? Okay, that. Okay, I tore it. There's nothing else in there. Some gel. Oh, look at that. It even takes like my fingerprints and stuff. Let's quickly see what else is in the box before. Okay, that's an import. Okay, it's just some documentation. Yeah, great. Nobody reads this, do they? Important safety instructions. Okay, put that away to the side. Focusrite. I love the color. The color is beautiful. Look at that. That is amazing. That's the front of it. For input 1, input 2. Wow. Okay, this actually feels good as well. Okay, all the buttons there, headphone jack. This is to control output sound. This is to give 48 volts to your mics. Some mics require this, they need to give voltage. So that's 48 volts they can give there, and that's basically power everything. Direct, okay, auto. Let's look at the back. Okay. Do you know what? The quality already seems so good. Okay, this is the back of it now. Focusrite. This is a security key hold. This is a 5 volt if you need to actually provide it voltage. Normally your laptop or your PC should. USB connection, that's obviously for the that's for the power. Right and left for speakers, I believe, and then this is for your mic, your XLR mics. Just so you know, this is used for XLR mics. This is interesting. I really like this already. This is something that I'm just going to be leaving and then hopefully using to control stuff with. But let me give you some close-ups and then actually go over everything of this, so you understand exactly what it is that if you were to purchase it that you'd receive. So this is the Scarlett 2i2. 2 input. There is a 4 input one, but just so you're aware, these products, they're the winner of the best audio interfaces from the SOS Awards in 2024, which is excellent. This is the 4th gen version. As I said on the box, 69 dB gain range, 120 dB dynamic range, auto gain, clip safe, air modes, and there's obviously computer software as well. This is 2 of the most detailed ultra low noise preamps. So once you plug in the 212 4th gen, it's got remote controlled preamps, the Scarlett's clearest and most detailed ever. Basically it's a workhorse. It's a great product. You could use it to do podcasts as well. So as I said, the knobs there allow you to handle the levels. The 2 high Z guitar inputs basically let you use this like an amp. You get a big console sounds with 2 re-engineered air modes and all the software, as I've already mentioned. Just to also show you the fact that this has these 4 little legs so it doesn't slip. It looks like a really good product. Obviously I will be giving my review on this probably in a year's time or something, once I've properly used it. Can you see there's already getting a lot of dust and stuff just by even leaving it on my desk. But yeah, the product itself, look at this. It's just, I have to show this again. This just looks so beautiful. It's a piece of art actually. Do you know what? I wasn't expecting me to feel like this when I got this, because yeah, I thought it's just a tool that I'm going to be using, but it's like if you watch my iVanky unboxing video, it's similar to that. And iVanky, you know, that's expensive and like it's for the Mac, and this is for Mac and Windows. So yeah, it should be a great product, and the clarity we'll obviously find out, won't we? Do have a check on my streams that I do. I am trying to stream more regularly, so do have a look at that. But yeah, if this video did help you, please do subscribe to my channel, especially if you're new here and you're interested in topics like crypto assets. I provide a lot of information on my channel regarding crypto tech, unboxing stuff like this, especially self-custody. I'm an advocate of that. Obviously that's probably something completely different to what you're watching here, but something to look into. Hopefully I've gotten that to your ear. But yeah, please do subscribe, and yeah, like this video and share this video. And lastly, let's not forget, together let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.